name's Julia and today we'll be talking about Makartt's Jelly Gel nail polish. So I tried this out just now and it turned out very transparent, which it should be, and very vibrant and cool. The blue one I put on 2 layers and it turned out really nice, like a really nice deep color. I would say this is really good for beginners and people who are just trying it out and DIYers, but it's really good like party nails or going to the beach. So this is a really long-lasting nail polish, and as long as you keep it clean before you do the application and you're making sure that there's no oils or there's no like dead skin or anything, I think it'll be fine. And then it's really fast. Unlike the competitors, it's pretty heavy duty. It won't really fall off. I feel like these ones that have dried, they're pretty nice and they're not too thick. They don't come out uneven, they're pretty even. I liked it on this hand, and this was actually one of my favorite colors. So I think it was really between the yellow and the pink. Those were my favorite. They're very vibrant. And like the neon kind of thing is really in right now, so you shouldn't have an issue trying to find an outfit to match. The curing time for this is really fast. It's about 30 seconds to max a minute, and you take them out and voila, you have perfect nails. So I would recommend this for a gift, for a DIYer, for a mother, for a boy, for a girlfriend, anyone kind of like that, and I really enjoyed it, so I think they will too. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.